Welcome back to this video. The very first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open our Yahoo Mail app. The next thing you need to do is to click on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to manage account privacy. Then click on your privacy control. Then it's going to take you to your privacy control right here. Next thing you need to do is to scroll down right here and then get to delete your Yahoo account. Click on that. Then before continuing, please consider the following information. Read the details right here. Once you are done and you are satisfied with everything written there, click on continue, delete my account and follow the prompt. Your Yahoo account, your data information in Yahoo database will be completely deleted, and this is easily work effective on Android phone and iPhone. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to delete your Yahoo account on your Android phone or iPhone. For more tutorial about how best to use Yahoo Mail on your phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.